Good evening, dear participants. As some of you have requested for mobile screen capturing demo once again, I am dealing with the demo of mobile screen capturing. You have got number of mobile screen capturing tools available in Play Store. All the tools work with the same principle. So I go in specific to X Recorder, which I have already downloaded. When you press that X Recorder or any recorder, press that, you will have a knob that appears in one sides of the mobile. See here, there is a small knob. When you press that, you have got four options. Every recorder will have these four small icons. Once again I press that. See, the first icon that allows you to go for recording. Your screen will be recorded. On pressing that, your screen will be recorded. And the second tool with the suitcase legs, there are tools available. And every mobile screen capture tools differs with the options, but it works with the same principles. Now look at there are three tools available with the X Recorder. If I enable that, I am able to appear in the screen. I am able to take the screenshot of the screen, and if I enable the brush, I can use the brush and explain. That is second option. And the third, home like button. When I press that, I am just pressing it again, home button like, you have got all the tools which are recorded will be displayed here. See, all that I have recorded, whatever that I have recorded, these are all add that comes. See, this is one of the recorded file and this is one of the recorded file. So all your recorded files will be found here. That is with home screen. And now I am just clicking this again, the knob again. Now you have got the fourth icon is setting. I press the fourth one. Now when you press fourth one, you have got number of settings that can be set for your capturing before you go for the recording. Now the first one is resolution. Resolution is that gives you the quality of the video, quality of the screen capturing. And second one is also that deals with the quality, which means the size quality will be if you can choose the quality. And the third one is frame per second. For example, 1 second, how many frames you want to have. If you select more number of frames, then it is automatic. The quality of the video is good, and it is better that you have auto, so it fixes the quality and frame per second. And orientation, whether you can have it landscape or portrait, and audio can be recorded, and the file location where you want to save the file can also be recorded. So these are the few options that are given here. All the other tools all the other settings you need not bother. So if you want, you can make use of the settings available. So I am just closing this. Now once again I shall reiterate. Look at there, I am just pressing that knob, and you have got four knobs from the top. The first one is to record, and the second one choosing the tools where you can enable the camera and you can appear in the screen. And the third one is the home screen. There you have the recorded videos or screen captured videos. You can share it from there to WhatsApp or YouTube or whatever media you want. And the fourth knob that enables with the settings. So if you have any clarification with this, you are welcome. Thank you very much. Have a great learning.